Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from sunny and very bright Margate, Florida. And what do we have here? Well, we got something for your commercial needs. Now, as you know, we do tons of vans, and this is the Ram ProMaster 2500. Now, I did a couple videos on the interior, but let's go ahead and do something else we did on here. Well, if you look here, it's got a ladder rack. Now, this is not like your typical ladder rack because this is one tall vehicle, so getting to the ladder rack might be a little hard. Well, guess what? Basically, you're gonna go ahead and put this in here. Hopefully we can see it with the bright sun. There we go. Sorry guys, but my eyesight is being blinded here. There we go. Now I can get it. Now if you look here, you just kind of walk along the side and let the hydraulics kind of do its thing here. Now you can get to your ladder, put it right up there. Once it's hung up there, it will lock in place on top there. Hopefully, since it's a very tall van, hopefully John's able to get the whole top there. But you put your ladder right on there, and again, you got this right here, and then you put the ladder right back. This does not take a lot of effort. You just kind of let go. There you go. And then this, we have a little spot in the van for that bad boy, which is, here, if John wants to swing around here real quick, there's a nice little locking mechanism right here. So that stays in place. So you got your little setup right here. Again, you got one for each side. You can get one just for one side. This customer wanted both sides. And again, it works the same exact way as the way I just showed you. This is your Holman ladder rack. And like I said, this is the dual one here. So, and again, this is a Ram 2500 ProMaster. Now, if you like this product, we could ship it anywhere in the country, or just come here, let us install it for you. This is not the easiest install. I know I always tell people, oh, it's super easy or super hard. This is a scale from 1 to 10. I give it a 7 and 8. The main reason, it's hard to get up there. And it is a lot of pieces. It takes time to put it together. I mean, for us, we've done quite a few of them, and even with all the vans we have done, it still takes time. So that being said, if you do it yourself, you probably could do it, but you know, put some time away. Figure you might be in there for several hours. I mean, of course, the manufacturer says everything's 5 minutes to do. I love the manufacturer. They always say, oh, it's 5 minutes. It takes more than that to open it. It's several hours of work. We're going to be honest with you. You know, I know, you know, everyone's trying to make a sale, and I understand why they tell you it's such a short install period, but it takes a little time. That being said, hey, again, you can get it from us. We'll ship it anywhere in the country. I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, doing a review of the Holman ladder rack that drops down. And before I go, like and subscribe. Thanks.